Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming Windows 11 and updated GPU drivers so animations run smoothly. This prevents stuttering. Once done, choose a reputable animated wallpaper app and download it. Pick the one that supports video, GIF, or web formats. Make a system restore point before installation to roll back if needed. Install the app with administrator rights and allow any required permissions. This ensures the program can access playback features and overlay settings, so wallpapers display reliably on the desktop. Once the app is installed, import your anime video or GIF files. Choose MP4 or WebM for best quality and smaller size. Then configure playback settings, loop, mute audio, and set an FPS or quality cap to balance visuals versus CPU or GPU load. Make sure to assign wallpapers to specific monitors if you use multiple displays, and enable Start with Windows so your animated backgrounds resume after reboot. Finally, reduce brightness or frame size if you notice performance impact. To finish, test the wallpaper full screen and switch virtual desktops to confirm consistent behavior. If you encounter stutter or dropped frames, lower the app FPS limit, disable Windows HDR, or update GPU drivers. These steps typically resolve performance issues. Make sure the app is allowed through power profiles. Set it to run on high performance when on AC. Finally, back up your app settings and keep original anime files organized so you can quickly restore or swap wallpapers without hassle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.